where to promote ClickBank links. This is really important. And I want to talk about where to promote ClickBank links. But before I talk about that, what about why? And like, are there restrictions and stuff like that? And I'm going to get into all of that, at least hopefully to a degree that can really help you. And so the first thing is wow, like doing a quick search on ClickBank, it says that they have 200 million customers across 109 countries, and they're the 87th largest internet retailer in North America. I mean, that's wild. 276 categories and 21,562 product listings. That is why it's a great question. Where can I promote this stuff, right? Because I want to make some money selling it and marketing. Yay. And I do. But before I step into that, there's something that I want to show you. And that is, there are limits. How do you find out what the limits are, though? And everything goes back to what the product is and who the vendor is for the product and what is the platform that you're going to be promoting the product on and stuff like that. And I want to give you an example of what I mean. And so first, let's actually look at a product and look at how you find out information about a ClickBank product and like maybe what some kind of limitations are and stuff like that, so you know what the rules are. And then we'll talk about where you can promote the ClickBank links. So first, you find a product. You go to the ClickBank marketplace, you find a product, and in this case, we're going to look at proven, okay? It just happens to be the #1 selling item on ClickBank at the moment, kind of a thing. And I have another video that I made talking about gravity and stuff. And so gravity tells me that at least 448 different affiliates or different marketers have sold at least one of these in the last 12 weeks. Now, there's other websites you can look at that'll actually show you like a graph, like when did it all start and all kinds of information. If you go and look at my video on gravity, it'll give you a lot more information about that, and there's even links in there. But we're focusing today on where can I promote the ClickBank links, and how does that matter for here? Well, this is what it is. So first, you find the product that you want to promote, and then go to their affiliate page. You want to know what they already know about the best way to market the product. They want you to sell their product, and they have learned over time the best ways to do it. So why not get information from them so that you can let them help you to help them? All right, so basically go to the affiliate page. And so when I click on this link, it takes me here. And if I start scrolling and everything, I get a lot of information. So it talks about the product itself. And then it's here they're encouraging you, hey, you're an affiliate. Why should you promote our product? Because of all these reasons. You're going to make a lot of money, right? They have great sales pages. They're saying all of this stuff and what they're doing. And they're talking about how they make a lot of money, how you can make a lot of money selling their product. And then here they ask you for your information so that they can send you emails to give you more maybe promotional tools and stuff like that. And before you submit your information, right here it says make sure that you read the terms. And look at this. So they have affiliate terms. Most vendors will have affiliate terms. Now, they might not be on a separate page. They might be everything might be on the same page. But the thing is you want to know what is okay and what is not okay to promote someone's product, because sometimes if you do anything that's wrong, even if you do it accidentally, you can get banned from the product. In other words, they'll cut you off. You won't, even though maybe your marketing is doing great and everything, you won't make any money because you went against the terms, the conditions. And so that's why it's so important to know what they are. Plus, they'll tell you things like, you can't promote our stuff this way because it's going to make us look bad. Now, they don't use those words, but a lot of times that's what it's saying. Or you can't lie, or scare people in order to get them to buy the stuff. I think that's straightforward. All right, so once you know what the terms are for the affiliate terms, if you agree to them, see, if you don't like their terms, if you don't like what they're saying, then move on to another product. We just saw how there's thousands of products. Know what the rules are so that you can play better, right? It's that simple. All right, so they have affiliate terms and everything. Basically, if I don't want to put my information in here, right here it says, let me go to just get the tools and stuff, because they actually have tools and stuff. Now, not all products, not all vendors have a really nice page laid out like this. Sometimes it's just one long page with a bunch of information. Maybe it's links to videos that you can include in your advertising, or email swipes and all kinds of stuff like that. And look at this, create your affiliate links. This is kind of cool. So if I put my affiliate ID in, and I put a tracking ID, and I say test link. So here's a checkbox for turn off autoplay video. Now, in some platforms like Facebook, when you do advertising, you learn different rules and everything. And so in Facebook, they have their advertising policies and everything. So does Google. I mean, everywhere that you're going to do different stuff, they have guidelines and policies and rules and regulations. And if you're going to be good at what you're doing, if you're a professional marketer, then you need to learn what the rules are so you can do it well. It turns out on Facebook and Google, a lot of different places, the user experience, social media, it's about the user experience. And you don't want people doing stuff that you wouldn't like yourself. Have you ever gone to a web page and a video just starts playing? And see, for me, that's annoying. Some people are good with that. I'm not good with that. And actually, Facebook's not good with that. So if you have people go to a link and a video starts playing without them even saying, I want to watch a video or I want it to play, then Facebook might ban your ad, or they might just not let people go to your link. Think about it. Think about it. And so with this product, you find out that they actually know that there's different platforms and different rules. And so here it says get started link in the footer, and it says don't use this on Facebook. In other words, they already know that Facebook doesn't like this, so they're telling you, as they're trying to prepare you so that you can market their stuff, hey, don't use this on Facebook. If you're going to be doing stuff with Facebook on this, don't use that, right? Hold it. Did I forget about where to promote ClickBank links? No, not at all. But I want you to know that, some products will tell you, don't advertise our stuff on Facebook, or don't do it a certain way. And so I think it's important to know about that kind of information before just going down a list of different ideas of where to promote the products and everything. And so platforms like Facebook and Google and Instagram and Pinterest and wherever you think social media, TikTok, everybody has their own set of rules and guidelines. And so if you're going to do affiliate marketing, find out what the rules are. For example, a lot of them might be, you can't just send people straight to our link. You got to take them to a landing page where you're going to explain what it is before you send a person there. And some of them are like, oh, just send the people right here to this page. So find out so that you don't break rules, so that you can promote and make more money and do better business. And now the big drum roll here are, where can you promote your links? Well, how about blogs? If you have a blog and you're typing away and you're sharing about something, I always think of the old TV shows where they used to have a family and the family's going to sit down to eat dinner, and the wife holds up a box of something and says, that's why we love having our whatever, instant mashed potatoes. I know, I said it. Instant mashed potatoes. I like them. Okay. But they promoted stuff that way. And when people do blogs and stuff, you promote stuff. When I'm doing this video right now, I have some links in the description about some programs that I think might be worth checking out and that people might be interested in if they want to learn how to make money online. And I also have, I put this proven link as an example, it's actually a live link. It's a real link, and I have it in the description. Why can I do that? Well, I'm not breaking any of the rules. I'm not promoting something wrongly. I'm not going against any rules or anything like that. One of the other ways you can promote stuff, or where to promote ClickBank links, YouTube videos. Hey, this is a YouTube video. And product tutorials where there's actually, like, maybe software is a good one for this, where I can promote Aweber to you. I can show you how to do something in Aweber, which is an autoresponder, so you can have email campaigns and everything. And I can have a link where I'm promoting Aweber, and I'm saying, hey, if you want a good autoresponder, maybe consider using Aweber. And I have a video that I made even about Aweber and linking Aweber to a page, an opt-in page, using Thrive themes. How do you connect those dots? And I made a video about that, and I promote Aweber in that video also. And then banner ads, that's kind of literal, where you can put it on an email, you can put it on a web page, in a blog, on someone else's blog or web page if they let you. Social media post, again, what are the guidelines for the community, that social media community? And as long as you're within the guidelines, you're good to go. And maybe you can't promote it directly. See, goes back to the guidelines. Maybe I say, hey, I've just lost 50 pounds and I feel lighter. I feel better. If you're interested in how I did it, maybe just send me an instant message. You see, in some ways, in some places, that might be okay. Email marketing, I think that's obvious, but it could be any email. I could send a general email, like I could have a signature block in my email that I send to anybody, and in the signature block, I could have a link, a ClickBank link, right? And then digital products, books, and online courses, I could create a whole online course and promote a bunch of different products all throughout the course. Why not? Why not? There's nothing wrong with that, especially if I believe in the products. Now, I'm a big believer in promoting what you believe in. If you don't believe in it, if you don't think that there's something valid to it or good about it, or, if it's just about making money and that's it, there's nothing more to it, then maybe it's not something for you to promote. I know some people don't think that way, and I'm not going to hold it against them. I'm just saying that this is the way I look at it. Where to promote ClickBank links? I hope that I've given you some good information as far as the platforms that you might want to promote the links on or through. Do a search. So if you do a search on Facebook, you could do a search for terms of service or advertising policies or community guidelines. Same thing with Instagram. Like, I know that there's some software out there that'll do Instagram, like posts and likes and follows and all kinds of stuff like that. But Instagram doesn't like that, and they'll shut it down if they think it's a bot. Same thing with YouTube. Certain things, if they happen certain ways, they go against their policies, and they'll shut down your YouTube channel. That's not a good thing. I don't want that. I hope that this has helped you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below, and I'll respond to them myself. And also, please subscribe to my channel.